Alright, ladies and gents. Haven't given you guys any update on the gym in a while. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys saw something like this posted. Why? Well, because of this. Squat thrust. I purchased a mirror off of Craigslist. Originally I wasn't going to go with the mirror, but the reason I did is just sometimes it helps with technique and to really look at what you're doing as you're doing it. And so why not? You know, you gotta be douchey at some point, right? Besides, instead of taking pictures of myself on this thing, I can now do it on this. I'm gonna put this up, but I'm in the middle of a squat workout. And by the middle of, I mean, I'm gonna start. And I'm gonna put this up while I work out. I don't want it up here. That isn't the original intention. So the goal is to put it here, be douchey around the dumbbells. And so that's the goal. Let's do it. Project is done. For the most part, it turned out pretty good. I don't like how I had to put two here. I thought this was a stud and it wasn't, so I ended up having two, which is kind of a waste. And it now is no longer symmetrical. So you have two here, and one here, which is really starting to bug me. But we'll work on that, or I'll get to that eventually. There's not much more I would do and need. So besides some last minute touches, we're doing good. Food for thought. That's correct, by the way. It rained just enough for me to dehydrate.